Hello friends, welcome to Dial Android YouTube channel. Today we are going to review FoxHound Rising ROM for Samsung Galaxy S3. This is a custom ROM based on Android 4.1 Jelly Bean and one of the most stable ROM available as of now. So as always, I will start with the boot function. This ROM is very easy to install. You can just download the files and install using Clockwork Mod Recovery. Since it is having Aroma installer, so it's really easy and highly customizable while installation. You can select the kernel or the options you want, which type of launcher you want, and which type of theme you want, or which are the applications you want inbuilt. So it's really easy. I don't think so we need a video for that. You can just refer any of the installation procedure and go ahead with the installation. So here you go. It's already booted within a minute. So that's the main focus of this ROM. It's really fast and stable. I'll switch off the sync so that you will not get disturbed. Okay, so I'll start with the settings option. First, let me tell you, we have seen one or two force closes in this, like this S Note Lite application is not working properly, and sometime we got hang up in the Facebook. So nothing to worry. I think that will be fixed soon. So we'll start with this about function to show you the version of the ROM. So for that I will go to the more settings, about device. So you can see it's a 4.1.1 and based on LS7, which is the latest firmware, and the FoxHound Rising 1.5.3 Jelly Bean version. So I'll confirm the Jelly Bean once again. So you can see the Jelly Bean animation. So you can see the syncs and email works fine, the Wi-Fi is working fine, 3G works perfectly. What I love about this ROM is if you have bought Samsung Galaxy S3 phone for its motion sensor capabilities like palm swipe or direct call, smart stay, all those features are available in this ROM. You can see this direct call, smart alert, every feature is available. Unlike other CM10 based ROM where you have to sacrifice these features. I'll show you the screen. This smart stay option is also there. So what's special apart from these, you have one thing called FoxHound Extra, in which you will get some more option to tweak or customize your phone, like battery bar, calling name announcement. When somebody calls, it will pronounce your name, secret codes, it will show you what are the codes available. Since this ROM is pre-rooted, so you don't have to worry about this guarantee point. So all the codes which are available for Galaxy S3 are there. So apart from this, this has faster GPS fix or configuration selection. You can select CSC of any of the location and it will reboot into that. And apart from that, you have CPU tools to tweak, to run a script. So these are some customization options. Now in this ROM they have included some of the MIUI function like MIUI compass. Obviously you have to select these while making the installation. You have a My File Explorer, OIL File Manager. So all these things really gives a good feel of this ROM. One very important thing what the developer has done is they have made it a black theme. So all the Google apps are in the black theme, whether it may be a Gmail thing or Google Now, whatever, everything is in a black theme. So I'll show you the market version because many of my readers have asked whether Play Store is working or not. So you can see it's in a black theme. Here you go, 3.8.17 version. So it looks really nice and different, especially if you love. So now coming to the home screen, you have option of Samsung TouchWiz launcher or the Holo theme launcher. So I have chosen the Holo theme because I don't want to show the TouchWiz as usual Galaxy S3 thing which is available. You all have seen it. So all those features which are available in Holo ROM, it's available. And we have even conducted the Quadrant benchmark test for this. And we got a score of 5145, which was really good. And battery also, it's giving warning now, but we have checked it for last 24 hours and it is 15% remaining. So overall a good go. Now everybody asks for the function and camera is working or not, so I'll show you the camera. So camera is given with the HyperX mod, which is obviously a performance tweak. You can see now I am in a video mode and I can easily shoot the videos, and all those function works which are there in the stock ROM. Even you can snap the pics. So nothing as such which is not working as far as camera front is concerned. So now you can see this home screen also. You can tilt for 90-degree rotation. It's a 360-degree rotation ROM. Now I'll show you the Google cards, which was a Jelly Bean feature. For that I'll go to the Google. Yes, so here is my Google card. So as soon as you keep on using your phone, it will read up and show the weather and so many options. There are some sample cards you can see, and places, traffic and all. So it's a Jelly Bean function. Now I'll show you one more thing. There is one offline voice tapping which was introduced in Jelly Bean, so that's also available. Leave it. So now GPS fix, I have been using CGIC with my phone, and it was working absolutely fine. So there is no issue with that. Overall it's a good daily use ROM. All the syncs, everything is working fine. So I'll show you one more thing. The S-Wise application, apart from the Google Now, the S-Wise is also functional, so you don't have to worry about whether if you want to update your social status or something from the S-Voice command. Another very good feature which I like about this ROM is the video calling is available, and call recording is there. So suppose if I dial a number, you can see one colorful animation here, and once it goes to the, then you have a record button here. You can directly record the calls, and as soon as you end up the call, it will save your recording. So these kind of features are available in this ROM, so it's a must go. If you are willing to go with a custom ROM, then just go ahead and install this. It's a daily driver, no issues apart from few force closes which can be solved with the OT update. Don't forget this FoxHound ROM comes with the OT update option, which you will see here. So once there is an update, you can directly update your mobile phone. So we'll cover up more features and more ROMs in our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching, guys.